Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, Naledi Aphiwe went to her stories and posted and was like, if you say everything is going to be alright, please post the day, the time that everything will be okay and when it will be okay. And like I said on my last post, like this good something is going wrong here. And she has a good sense of humor. Like if something bad is going on, she bounces back very easily. And I wonder to umtanagavan who had one abat. Umtanagavan who had our lady. Sizukuthola yezwa. Hey, whoever has hurt our girl, I hope it's not my Willie because this time whenever we are coming for him, I'm joking. No, I'm joking, we're not coming for anyone's child, but I think we are perisha when it comes to romance. We are perisha, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And here is the video.
Advisor uthi kuzolungani sicela ufake ne-date ufake nenyanga ungakhulumi nayo into ongayazi ngikucela. I'm struggling. Yes, Sislandi, I'm struggling. No one is struggling like me. I'm struggling.